Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Cadillac XT6 and we're going to do the upper section chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So for this vehicle there are some trim levels that have this piece chromed out along with the other pieces that are chromed out, but because this one is a different trim and has this section of the chrome already blacked out, we're going to use a different material. That way you can still see how to do the installation in case your vehicle is chromed on this section here. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the upper piece of the grille, and this is how it looks after. So we use the white color material in order to distinguish the difference and show you guys how to go about with the installation. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep it, use water, baby shampoo, in a spray bottle. Spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and just make sure you remove any contaminants that the panel may have. And once you're done cleaning the panel, make sure that everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film does not get damaged while doing the installation. And then once everything's clean and dry, we can start with the installation. So once you finish prepping the panel, now we can move on with the installation. So with this piece, it is going to be a two-piece installation. But when you have your piece, you want to start off right in the middle section, cut out of the body line of the panel. So align it right on the middle. If you overlap it just a bit, that should be fine. But just make sure you have material to cover underneath the panel here as well. So right in the middle, give yourself enough material to cover underneath, and then just follow the design of the panel until you reach it to this edge, and it should cover up to here. Once you place the film, grab your squeegee and start tagging it down to secure it in position. And just be careful with any air bubbles, just remove them slowly. Tack everything down until you reach to the top. And with this one, keep in mind it does not cover all the way inside the panel. We only did coverage up to where the hood closes and covers the layer here. So it doesn't go all the way inside up to the edge. It just covers what's visible when you have the hood closed. So just help it tack down around the curve here. If you need help tagging it down, just re-lift it and adjust it to remove any air bubbles. And then around this area, we're going to apply a little bit of heat. Since it does have a small curve here, we want to prevent from wrinkling the film. So to prevent it from wrinkling, we're going to apply heat to remove any fingers. So place the film, apply heat, hold it in position, let the film cool off, and then slowly help it tack down around the curve here. And just do the same for the bottom section. Lift it carefully, apply heat, and slowly, little by little, help it tack down, just like that. And now this whole area is tacked down and it's covering here. And now all we need to do now is apply heat to help it tack down underneath the panel here. And any extra material that we do have, we will just trim it off. Let the film cool off and then grab your squeegee and squeegee at an angle to tack it down underneath. And then now we could trim off any extra material that we have. So just trim off the extra material carefully. And once you're done trimming off the extra material, you would do the same steps that were done here to the other piece. And then once you're done, come back and post heat. So once you finish installing the whole pieces, you would come back and post heat the entire panel. So just apply heat, take your time, go all over the film, making sure you help it tack down. And if there's any edges still lifting, just bring them back down by applying heat. And then once you're done with this step, you'll be done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support. from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the upper section Grille Chrome Delete installation for the 2021 Cadillac XT6. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.